Hey guys, it's Mr. G with the on-demand or synchronous agenda. That's for period 7 and 8. You're going to do the daily announcement, which you're doing right now. Then you're going to do the question of the day number 4 on the Google Classroom, which we'll take a look at in a second. And then you're going to finish your Dreamboard. So for the question of the day, remember you are in the Google Classroom. And if you forgot how to get there, just go to Google and click the apps, and then you can select Google Classroom. Once you get to the Google Classroom, it'll look like this. Click Classwork, and then this one will be active by your period's time tomorrow, and you'll click on it, and the 2 questions are there. Remember to click on it, number yours 1 to 2. Also remember, yours will show up on the right-hand side where it says answer. Don't do it as a comment. It will be on the right-hand side. So that's what you're going to do for that. Then you're going to finish your Dreamboard today. So remember, for the directions, I just click modules to get the Dreamboard. Here it is. I click Dreamboard again, and it will open up. I notice it says Flipgrid submission here. Link will appear Friday, so there will be no one turning this in. No one's doing the Flipgrids yet. So that will appear on Friday, and honestly we'll eventually have those made on Monday, but the link will finally show up then. So today, just get it done. If I click on here, here is the Dreamboard. Remember, everything is here for you. You're finishing yours up, adding it to your passion project. So again, here is my passion slides. I already had my pick 6. Your questions were filled in. Here's a finished example of my Dreamboard. And then for the elite folks, this is an example of my elite one. So that's what you're working on. Your goal today is to just finish. That's it. You don't have to turn anything in today. Have a great day.